Alright, y'all. Alright, I'm back with another video. See what I'm doing today. Got my peppers in here. Alright, get ready to throw my steak up in this. Steak up in here. Oh yeah. Get ready to let it marinate a little bit. So that's what I'm starting off doing today. Got this steak in here. Gotta get ready to marinate a little bit. So alright, y'all, that's what I'm doing today. Alright, y'all, stand by. I'm gonna be right back. Put the top on here. Let it marinate a little bit, and I'm gonna let this sit on here for a little bit, and I'm gonna take y'all through the journey on cooking this steak on the stove. Alright, y'all, stand by. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back showing y'all how this steak is coming out. It's coming out pretty good. So, alright, I'm gonna let it do its thing right now. So, keep an eye on it. So, got some beans over there and stuff. I think I'm gonna make some potatoes. It's gonna be the Friday night meal. So, alright, that's what I'm gonna do. But you know, when I get to that end video, I'm gonna show y'all the end results. So, alright, so stand by. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I'm making a little brown here. So, I took the onions and peppers out. Put that back on, let me brown a little bit. And that's what I'm almost done. So you get ready to see that end result soon. So that's what I'm doing. So you got my favorite in there. You know how I do it. You know what I'm doing it with. So yes, that's what I'm doing today. Alright, I'll be right back with that end result. So stand by. Alright, y'all, I'm back with that end results. Alright, check them out. Yes, it look good. Got the potatoes on that, dog. You know I love potatoes. Green beans, hey, got my steak. That right, green peppers and onions on there, sauteed it. Yes, so yeah, it look beautiful. Yeah, all right, y'all. You know what time it is? I got to go. Tell me what y'all think of this video today. Don't forget to like it. Appreciate everybody watching. So come on and join the board when we get to that 1K. All right. Get ready to get down, you know my deal. So I gotta do. I don't want to talk with no food in my mouth, but I had to do it while I was high. All right, everybody have a good weekend. Be safe. I'm out. Don't forget to watch my next video. Thank you. Bye.